Hi, my name is Audrey Woulard, and I'm a Chicago portrait photographer. And I'm going to show you how to get some real cool portraits with a nice light, the FJ100. So here I am with the FJ100, and this is such a really cool little light. I'm also using it here with the Octa 15. If you're outside or even indoors and you just need like a good little pop of light, this is your guy. But I will say, it's a lot more power in this than you think that it is. Okay, so right now, I'm going for something a little softer, a little bit more natural. And I'm at a shutter speed of 5,000, 1.2 aperture, ISO 100. And I've got that light powered at a 7. I'm using the FJ 100. That's a nice little just pop of light whenever you need it. I don't want to get too dramatic over here, but I'm looking at how the ambient is on the foliage of the trees. And what I want to do is still capture that in camera with my camera settings, but use that FJ 100 to just give a nice little pop of light. Tatum, do me a favor. Look up at the light for me. You can go ahead and drop your hands. And then just let that wind blow. Part your lips like you can't breathe, almost like a, there you go. Nice. Couple more. Beautiful. Look off that way. Eyes right back over at me. Let the hair blow until it gets annoying. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, that's beautiful. And I like picking up a little bit of the greenery. So right now, I'm using the FJ100, but I don't have a grid on it. So I'm getting a lot more light spread here, but it's looking, really, really natural, which I love. All right, what we want to do now is we're going to take off the softbox and let's see if we can get it a little bit bare bulb and see what we can get out this way. Let's go ahead and take this off. All right. Even though I've got it bare bulb, I'm going to try and feather it a little bit. Turn it a little bit off of her. There you go. So we get a little harsher light when we take off the modifier. So it's giving me a little bit of a spotlight look. So you probably want to go with a modifier. But like right now, if you want to try it with a little bit more of a bare bulb, you can go for that. So today when we were using the FJ100, I wanted to do a couple of different things. I wanted to put on the modifier and we can get some nice soft light. I had my model lean into some of the greenery so that we can keep it nice and soft. I put on that grid so that we can get it a little bit more directional lighting so that we can get those highlights nice and crisp. And then we took off that Octa 15 and we went bare bulb. And I brought down my exposure with my settings so that we can kind of balance it with the ambient. So you definitely have choices. But one thing is I can definitely say that if you just want to have a nice little pop of light, this is the light that you need to use, that FJ100.